Hey, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it when Canva isn't letting you export a design with a transparent background. It's super common and yeah, usually an easy fix. First, make sure your design is actually set up for a transparent export. Canva only allows PNG files with transparency. Next, click on Download and check the box that says Transparent Background. If this isn't selected, your image will just come out with a white or colored background. If the option is grayed out, that usually means you're on the free plan. Canva requires a pro subscription for transparent exports. You can either upgrade or, you can use a free workaround like removing the background after download with a free online tool. Finally, after enabling transparency or using the workaround, download your PNG again and check it in your image viewer. You should see no background, just your design floating, and that's it. Pretty simple fixes, right? Now you can get your Canva designs with a proper transparent background without any headaches. Thanks for watching.